How can affiliate marketing change your life for the better? Well, two things. You get your time back and you can get financial freedom. If you're doing that 9 to 5 grind, this is perfect. Hey, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Well, let's dive right in. Affiliate marketing, if you don't have no idea what affiliate marketing is where you're promoting other people's products. All of the big box stores have some type of affiliate program where you can promote products. Amazon is probably one of the famous ones. You got ClickBank and you got Impact, and I'm going to tell you, it's just so many places where you can go to get products to promote. Depends on what niche you want to get into. But there's endless amount of products. And do you even know how the concept of affiliate marketing works? Well, let's just say you have something. It could be anything. And let's just say you're using it. Well, your friend says, hey, how that product, how'd you like it? You say, I really do like it. You should go out and buy one. Well, guess what? Affiliate marketing is the same thing. You're telling people about a product that they need to buy. That's affiliate marketing. You got a product and you're telling them, hey, this is a good product. They need to go buy it. That's affiliate marketing. You've been doing it all your life. You just didn't know it. How many times have you bought something and your friends come up to you and say, hey, how is that? Does it really work? And you're like, yeah. Or you're eating something at a restaurant and they say, hey, is that good? You go, yeah. There you go. All you're doing is promoting other people's products. And it's basically, there's no shipping, there's no customer service, and there's no dealing with returns. So you don't have all those headaches. All you're doing is promoting products. It could be your own product. Maybe you're handy. Maybe, you're making stuff and you want to maybe start your own little store, whether it's Shopify, whatever. Hey, we can help you with all that. That's not a problem, but that's affiliate marketing. You're promoting other people's product. You know what I mean? That's how it works. Don't act like I don't know if I could do that. Well, yeah, you can. You've been doing it pretty much all your life. You just didn't realize it. But that's affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can change your life because in many, many different ways. One, you can get your time back. You can get you can get financial freedom. Maybe you're struggling with your 9 to 5 job and it's not keeping up with the bills. Maybe you want to start this as a side hustle and turn it into an online business. And once you do that, your time freedom, you get your time freedom back because you're not being, working 10 hours a day, 50 and 60 hours a week. You're working 2 or 3 hours a day on your own business, your business, not somebody else's business. You're not making somebody else rich. You're trying to make yourself rich. That's the beauty. That's the life-changing thing with affiliate marketing. People just don't realize it. They've been doing it all their life. They've been promoting stuff and telling people, oh, that's great. That's good stuff. Yeah, you should buy that all their life. They never had any idea that they can turn that into a business. You know what I mean? So think about it. If affiliate marketing can change your life where you get your time back and get your financial future back on track, wouldn't you be willing to trade a little bit of time every day to achieve that? We can help you with that. We can help you achieve your financial freedom and get your time back, and where you can walk in and fire your boss. Just say, hey, I quit. But the easiest way to do it is to check out the link in the description, because when you sign up with us, you're going to get the best in the business. You're going to get the people who's been doing affiliate marketing for years, who's already making 6 and 7 figures in this business, and they're going to hold your hand and show you what works, what doesn't work. And we don't care what niche that you want to do. We'll help you promote whatever you want to promote and make sure you do it correctly, where you're not wasting time, where you're not wasting money, because nobody wants to do either one of them, especially when they're trying to change their life. You know, if last year didn't work out so good for you, unless you're willing to make a change, what makes you think this year or any other year is going to be any different? So take a chance and keep in mind, you're going to get a mentor and advisor. You know, we're not going to let you fail. We want to see you succeed, but you got to be willing to take the chance. You got to be willing to, you know, set that mind straight and go, hey, I do want to, you know, get my time freedom. I do want affiliate marketing to change my life for the better. You know, I want to have my time back, and I want to be able to take my kids on those vacations that they deserve. You know, so what better way to do it than learning affiliate marketing, and it will change your life. You know, when you get it set up, you get your stuff dialed in, hey, you're set. You can do this anywhere you want, even sitting on a beach. But you got to take that first step. You got to be willing to do it. You know, if you want change in your life, you got to be willing to make a small sacrifice in order to get it done. But affiliate marketing can change your life, but it's up to you to get the mindset and be willing to do it. I mean, especially if you're a stay-home mom, you know, this is perfect. Once the kid goes to sleep or you send them off to school, man, you got all kinds of time. This is perfect. You know, you can you can turn this into a small side hustle, then turn it into a business. Nobody's saying that you got to start everything huge. Just take baby steps and let's get going, because we want to see you succeed. But just remember, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you next week with a new video.